Hello everyone, my name is Siddesh Rajendra Gaikwad and in this video I will explain you decision making statement. There are two types of decision making statement. First is decision making and branching statement and second is decision making and looping statement. First we see decision making and branching statement. There are four types of decision making and branching statement. First, if statement. It is used to check condition and if condition is true then statements present inside if block get executed. Second, if else statement. It is used to check condition and if condition is true then statement present inside if block get executed and condition is false then a statement present inside if else block get executed. Third, nested if else. It is possible to include an if else statement inside the body of another if else statement. The switch statement allows us to execute one code block among many alternatives. A variable to be tested for equality against a list of values. The variable being switched on is equal to the case statements. Following that case will be executed until a break statement is reached. Now we will see decision making and looping statement. In decision making and looping statement there are three types. First, while statement. That while statement allows code to be executed repeatedly based on given condition until the condition becomes false. Second is do while statement. If condition is true, code within block is executed again. This repeats until condition becomes false. Because do while loop check the condition after the block is executed. Third is for statement. It is a repetition control structure that allows you to efficiently write the loop that needs to execute a specific number of times and code to be executed until condition is true.